Hello, and welcome to Regal Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutors. I'll be taking to a topic, inequalities on number lines. Now we have some questions here as examples. We have a line containing 1 to 5. We have a direction of the line towards the right direction with hollow circle. Second one has our filled circle is already shaded. What does each of this mean? How do we interpret it? Let's go. It's very simple. Okay. Now, in this case, we're dealing with x. Now, looking at this direction, it shows that you are referring to x is greater than. When your direction is towards the right side, it means x is greater than. Now, where you have your pointer, which is on 1, you have hollow circle. When you have hollow circle, that is only going to be greater than. What is on 1? So that will be x greater than 1. That is the interpretation of that inequality using number line. Second example, it means x. Now, the direction is towards the left. That is going to be less than. But in this case, your circle is not hollow circle. It is filled circle. Circle is fully shaded. That means it means and equals to. Is on which number that we have the pointer is on 3. That means the interpretation of this number line is x is less than and equal to 3. Means mention numbers less than 3, you're going to also include 3 as part of the numbers less than x. That is, x is less than 3 and equals to 3. And now I'll be giving an exercise. Please submit your answer at the comment box. Yes, the exercise, we have 2 number lines. One is facing the left direction with hollow circle. One is facing the right direction with full shaded circle. Submit your answer at the comment box. Thank you.